Hi guys, I'm here, I'm here at Lakeside Table. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table. And do you ever find yourself like in a crazy rush in the morning and you run out the door and you get in the car and you're like, crap, I didn't even eat. Well, not to worry. I've got a good solution for you on that. And today we're doing sous vide egg bites. I'm going to repurpose this ice mold to get a nice shape so it cooks evenly and stores really well in the fridge for up to a week. But they're so good, I really doubt they'll last that long. Just zap these little egg bites in the microwave for 30 seconds and you've got a fast, nutritious, protein-packed little snack or quick breakfast to take you out the door. And the nice thing about this recipe too is that you can make as many of these or as few as you want. Personally, I like to make a whole bunch of these on Sunday and then I have them all week long. The other thing is, if you don't have a little ice mold that we're gonna use for our sous vide egg bites, I've got a link down below that'll take you to Amazon and then you can go ahead and get them. Okay, so you wanna get your sous vide filled with water and set it to 185 degrees. After it comes up to temperature, cut off the tip of a carrot and set that aside, and then take your mold, give it a little coat of olive oil inside and put 1 teaspoon fresh herbs. I've got a mix of minced chives and parsley here, some Parmesan cheese, ground pepper, a teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, and a pinch of salt in the bottom of a silicone mold. Add egg whites into the bottom of the bowl, then carefully put the top of the mold on and slowly fill with more egg whites. I like the egg whites in the carton because they're easier to pour and they're not as goopy as fresh eggs. To plug the hole, use the tip of the carrot. Make sure it's in there tight. Then pop it in a sandwich bag, take the air out, and it goes into the sous vide bath for an hour. Okay, so these are ready to come out, but before we pull them out of the mold, we need to let them chill in the refrigerator. Let's see how these turned out. These are the perfect little grab and go snacks because they don't leave crumbs all over your car. And after you take them out of the mold, just make sure you put them in an airtight concealer and they'll last for up to a week in your refrigerator. And just grab a little tahini. Ooh, that was a lot. Oh, well that's all right, I'll eat that part. Or a little Valentina, spice it up a little bit. These are so good. And then zap it in the microwave for about 15 seconds and you are good to go. I love these little guys. So if you are in the market for a sous vide or if you want these little ice molds for your sous vide egg bites, click on the links below and it'll take you right there. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today at Lakeside Table. Don't forget, for the printable version of this recipe, you can head over to my blog, lakesidetable.com. And in the meantime, please have fun in your kitchen. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.